In this video, we'll learn how to upload an essay assignment and review your Turnitin results. Today we're looking through my sample Canvas course. So this looks a little different from our actual course, but the process is the same. So you'll select the essay assignment in your Canvas module. When you're ready to turn this assignment in, you'll click Submit Assignment. And you have the option of uploading a Google Drive file or a document that you have saved on the computer. I have something saved on the desktop to upload, so we'll go ahead and upload this. Click I agree to the tool's end user license agreement, and then we click Submit Assignment. We get the confirmation that it was submitted successfully here. To view our results, we can click on Submission Details. And there are two things we see here. One, we have the clock icon. That's the Turnitin software. It's letting us know that it's still working. Over here, we have the View Feedback button. Once your essay is graded by your instructor, that's where you'll see your essay and comments that your instructor leaves for you in that essay assignment. So we'll try refreshing the page here. Okay, so once we get that color-coded indicator, we can click on that and it uploads our essay. And on the left-hand side here, you're going to see in red, that's the Turnitin Originality Report. And that's telling us about 16% of this essay is made up of quotes or paraphrases. And as you can see, there's also these purple indicators where there are issues. Of course, that's the sample heading, so no issues there really. But the ETS is the grammar and punctuation checker for us here. So you can use this as a resource to help you edit and revise the essay before you turn in your final draft. You can upload a rough draft. And the software will let you upload an updated draft as many times as you want up until the deadline of when the essay is due. And then at that point, whichever the most recent draft you've uploaded is treated as the final draft. If you're curious about your Turnitin report, your plagiarism checker, you can check to see what it's highlighted. In this case, source number 1 is from TED.com, and that's formatted in quotes, so that looks to be okay. We have the signal phrase leading in to that source, so that one's okay. We can jump around. This is something that was submitted by another student at another college, and again we can see here that appears to be a direct quote as well, so that one's okay too. So you can check up on your quotes to make sure they're all formatted properly, that you have your citations in order before you submit your final draft. So that's how you view both your instructor feedback and also your Turnitin results with our Canvas essay assignments. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thanks.